Anambra cannot continue to be a one-party system. We need to bring Anambra to the center. He has given us charge to go and bring Anambra to the center, and that's what we're going to do.
What did you tell him?
With how prepared we were, and also he was in Anambra. He saw how ready and how charged his party people are in Anambra. He was happy about the outcome and the turnout of the people that came out to receive him. He actually thanked us for it and asked us to go and then work more and bring it back to center.
He could have given you the charge he gave you, but you looking at the work you have done, how ready are you to take Anambra?
Oh, more than ready.
A party that is so strong. I'm talking about that.
Oh, well, we say so strong. We're the one that made the APOGA strong. I was their former senatorial candidate, and also I came out from APOGA. I ran joint ticket with the current governor. I was former senatorial candidate of APOGA. I ran joint ticket with the governor in this last election. So I left APOGA with all my supporters and APOGA people to join APC. And then also my deputy also came into APOGA also and then joined us from APOGA to APC. So it makes APC to be bigger. So if I'm from the south, a senatorial candidate from the south, and my deputy is senatorial candidate, one senatorial candidate from the center, and all of us have joined APC, means nothing is left of APOGA in the state. So we're coming with that momentum. And when the president visited, he saw the enormous crowd that came to his party people that were so happy, whether from morning till the time he left, with so much enthusiasm, with so much joy and happiness. When you see your party member, you know, and the president acknowledge that, and I goes, go and bring Anambra to the center. And that's what we're going to do.
Sitting an incumbent is a tough job, I must say.
Are you looking at coalitions?
Oh, that's already in place. The Labour, the YPP, other political parties have joined us in the journey, and very soon you'll be here seeing the routine of the campees and other people that are endorsing us from all support groups. We have over 80-something support groups now lining up to do endorsement to come into us, and then other parties, YPP, even Apoga people, even Labour people, and other people joining us. So the coalition also it's not the first time in Zamfara, in Imo, other places. Incumbents have lost election, even in Anambra too. So it's not new to us in Anambra. Incumbents in Anambra have lost election before because we, the leader, did not support them. Now the leaders are in APC. We're going to take Anambra to APC, and because we have to come back and bring our people to the center.
After the primaries in APC in Anambra State, there seems to be problem, crisis, among some of the people that contested. How have we been able to bring those people that people back to
Our party, the National Working Committee of our great party, under the leadership of the Ganduje, has set up a powerful reconstruction committee, and they've done a great job. Not only that, even reconciling the APC members back as it is now, apart from one that left, all of us are together. And then also, apart from that, even the one that left, we only left with 2 ward chairmen. The whole other structure, organs of the party were there, and maybe 1 or 2 other people. And then also, apart from that, reconciling other people back to the party. So it's holistic and it's actually alarming. So we are making great progress. And you, the press, will be seeing the result in a few days' time. And you'll be seeing it happening because it's enormous. It's going to be thunder striking.
We wish you success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.